Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're in a car park in uptown Paphos. That's the old town of Paphos. Now, we paid for our parking because we're good people, but we had over an hour left, so we decided to circle the car park for a bit until we found someone who needed a ticket. Because if you remember in the last video, someone was very kind to us. Yeah. So we've spread that love, and the lady was, well, she was giving us kisses and hugs, that's for sure.
Yes,
anyway,
yes.
Without further ado, I will introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and of course her name is Miss Paphos.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. So where are we going, Miss Paphos?
We are going to Paphos. Paphos is downtown.
So we're off to downtown Paphos.
Downtown.
There we are. So we're somewhere in a car park in uptown Paphos. This is the old town of Paphos. This is the municipality car park just to the lower part of the Cafe Nero. So for that, what a lovely car park it is. So let's get out of here, Miss Paphos. Let's go that way a little bit. And then we'll go that way a little bit. And then there's the main entrance exit just up there. There we are. So follow that white car, but watch this car because he didn't look left or right. But never mind. He hasn't got a clue where he's going. Right, there we are. So don't follow him, but follow him if you understand me. Okay? Now we are going to go leftish. Trying to run this gentleman over because he looks like a nice foreigner. So we're going to go leftish that way down there. And we're going to wiggle and we're going to waggle through this car park and get ourselves out in what's known as the Tomb of the Kings area.
I would say it's so busy today.
Saturday morning.
So many people around.
Very, very busy indeed. So if you're wondering, this is the new theme of the channel, if you're wondering what time of year it is, well, it's the middle of November. Yep, you heard me correctly, the middle of November, and you're looking out the You're looking out the front windscreen of the car, and of course you can see the blue sky, and well, there's a little thing glistening in it. It's called the sun. The temperature is around about, but I'll just check it to be sure. Hold on a second. Let's have a look. 25 degrees. There we are. According to the Mercedes, it says it's 25 degrees, and she's been parked up in the shade, so she hasn't heated up. And I am sweating a little bit, and I think even Miss Paphos is
perspiring.
There we are. That's her new word. She learned that a couple of months ago now. And if you're wondering about Miss Paphos, well, obviously I'm English, actually Welsh, but she's not. If you're new to the channel, she's actually Armenian descent and Georgian descent, educated in Russia and Ukraine. There's a lot of confusion going on in there anyway. But never mind. On top of all that, she does actually speak 7 languages. And I know you won't believe me, but English is her worst.
Yes, I wish it was my best.
There we are. So we're wiggling and waggling towards the downtown Paphos harbour from the old town. So we've come out of the car park, which is over there. That is uptown Paphos. So that's where we've just left, and we wiggled and waggled down, and now we're on this road. And this road is going to take us to a T-junction, and we're going to take a right, and then we're going to wiggle and down to a set of traffic lights, and at that set of traffic lights will be the King's Hotel. Yes,
was it this road when we were stopped? You was driving and a policeman stopped you to blow your what?
To blow into the breathalyzer.
Yes.
No,
yes.
It wasn't this street.
Make a blow.
It was about 3 kilometres away. As you've come to understand, if you understand and you watch the channel, Miss Paphos, that's her orientation is not very good. But her language skills are very good. Her beauty skills are very good. And she does look after me quite well. So in return, I look after her very well as well.
Thank you.
Correct?
Yes.
And yet again, she's in one of these new outfits that was extracted from my pocket. I don't carry a wallet anymore because there's no point. Yeah, there's no point putting cash in a wallet. That away, Miss Paphos. So that's the T-junction, and we're going that away, straight down. And at the end of the road, we will come to a set of traffic lights. And on the right-hand side will be the rear entrance to the King's Hotel. And we're going to go left onto the Tomb of the Kings.
Are totally Sherlock.
They are, yes. The roads are absolutely terrible. Diabolical is the best word for them. I understand in most countries the roads are not much better, except perhaps if you're in Germany. So that's why this car is sending the emails every day saying, please, 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 can I go back to Stuttgart? And I say, what, Fishguard in Wales? And he says, no, no, I haven't got a sense of humour. I am from Germany. Send me back to Stuttgart. Anyway, McDonald's is just over there to the right. We're going straight. And at these traffic lights, we've got the Cephalios Damon Hotel to our left and the King's Hotel to our right. But we're going to go left and join the main avenue known as Tomb of the Kings Road. Now this road is lined with restaurants, bars, coffee shops, ATM machines. It's got a couple of banks on it, it's got a couple of hotels on it, it's got opticians on it, it's got anything you could possibly want on it. It's also got the head office for Paphos Cyprus, which is just about to come up on our left hand side there. So if you want to go on a great sea cruise, you can find them on the internet, paphosseacruises.com. You can find them in the harbour, or you can find their main office on Tomb of the Kings Avenue. This is one of our favourite eating places, the Three Little Pigs, a great taverna. The food, absolutely exceptional. What do you say, Christina?
There's 3 little pigs, but we are going there only 2 little pigs.
But we end up Sukanigoris, which means fat little pig in Georgian.
Yeah.
So, to give you another bearing, let's get into that lane, receive your booth. Just coming up here on the left hand side is the main entrance into the downtown Paphos Mall. There we are. We're going to go round this roundabout and we're going to go under a strange steel construction. And that steel construction is known as the Paphos Skywalk. It's like a raised platform to allow you to walk around the former ruins of something and take in some spectacular views. So we're going round the roundabout, we're going to go straight over Gracila Booth, and that's that contraption up there. We've gone up that the right way, the wrong way. We've gone on it before it opened, abseiled down it, and we haven't actually walked it since it's opened because we don't like to do things that are illegal. We prefer to do things that are much more illegal indeed. Anyway, this road takes you down to paradise. This road takes you down to the Paphos Harbour and the Paphos Promenade. And this is some of the caves, or catacombs as they call them, that you can explore on your travels as you head towards the Paphos Skywalk. There we are. And then coming up just down here is the tree of the Salamu Alaikums. There it is. This is the Ayah Salamani tree. Again, that's where they tie little memorable things like, face masks to remind us of the pandemic known as COVID-19. And we'll keep going. Again, on this road, there's an awful lot of property sellers. And as Miss Oching Receiver Booth says, we are, in with a good chance of perhaps selling a property to someone. So if you do pop into one of these property shops and you do want to buy somewhere and you do agree to buy it, don't forget to mention our name, Marika and me. You never know, we might get a 10% commission and we will more than happily give you at least 1% of that. Anyway, let's keep going. There's some electric scooters, we're going to get some of them later. And Mr. Ian, when you were going to the Lighthouse Beach, that's what you should have got. And then you wouldn't have walked 7.5 miles and you wouldn't have had blisters on your feet. But we're not making fun of you, we are very sorry. Pop into the Premier shop on the promenade and I'm sure the Israeli lady will help your feet and relieve your wallet as well. We're going to go straight over Gracila Booth. So it's a little roundabout now. If we go left, we would go to the rear of the promenade and wiggle and waggle towards the Basilica Resort. We're going to go straight, and I'm pretty sure by now you've understood exactly where we are, because that's the blue Mediterranean Sea, and there's some big boats up yonder. So that means we are in the downtown Cato Paphos harbour area. This is where the promenade ends to the left, and this is where the harbour area starts to the right. And this is the wood kiosk, and that is the defining point between the promenade and the harbour. And if you want to disagree with us, go and watch another channel. Simple. There we go. This is the car park to our right hand side, and if ever that car park is full and you've stolen someone's car, for example, or borrowed someone's car, or rented someone's car, go around, receive a bit. You can always go wiggling waggling there to the left to the rear of the restaurants and you will find a massive car park. Go that away and then go that away and then go that away.
This parking is still free.
That away. At the moment it is, but they've got big plans for changing that. Quick, get past this van and then take a right. Otherwise, someone else is going to get in there. Go on, in there. Very quick. There we are. Eagle eyes Mr. Paul spotted it. There we are. Get in there, Grisila booth. That's it. Park it up. Keep going. That's it. There we are. So we are now parked up in the downtown Cato Paphos harbour area, and that's a great view out there for sure. Spectacular. Blue Mediterranean Sea. Now, we're having trouble here dismounting, are we? So I think that this could be the very good place to say goodbye. If you want to post a letter, by the way, see these yellow things that are in front of us? That is what you call the post boxes in Cyprus. He's going out. There we are. He's going out.
Very nice.
Very nice gentleman. So
he's going out from front.
So he's going to back out, which means that then we can see a little bit of his parking space. Because we're a little bit tight on this side, if you're wondering why the camera stays.
We're a little bit tight.
But now, so let him go, Grisila booth.
So tight.
Reverse out a little bit.
Yeah, I need some more space because my car is a little
quite a bit bigger. Yeah, that's right. Let's go. Back we go. Yeah, he's gone. Right, stick with us. As you can see, we don't muck around. Stop. We don't muck around with editing. We just get on with it. There we are. Blue Mediterranean Sea. That's a bit better. Perfect.
Now I'm gonna be.
That's it. Absolutely perfect. So now we're going to go for the dismount, and we're now using the letterbox as the focal point. There we go. Stick with us. We're dismounting, and we are now going to walk and show you a truly spectacular view across the blue Mediterranean Sea. Grisila booth is frantically looking in the little box inside the car because she's looking for that. That's what she's looking for. Quite nice, that one. What's that flavour? That's called kiwi passion fruit.
Stop being naughty.
There we are.
Stop being naughty. Yes, I have.
Yes, good.
You have my questions.
Right. Come on, Grisila booth. Let's get that away. I'll follow your rear end as you transcend down that wall. Look at that. Doesn't get much better than that. The rear end of watching Grisila booth doing a Lara Croft impersonation. Should we go and look at the blue Mediterranean Sea?
Yes, Mr. Paul.
Right. Pop that in my pocket. Let's get across this road because it's baking down in downtown Cato Paphos today. 25 degrees, it said on the travel down here. The sun, well, that's glistening. The sea, that's a licking and a lapping downtown Cato Paphos, and we're going to show you the beauty and the spectacality of the blue Mediterranean Sea. I don't think it gets much better than that. And remember, middle of November. Exactly. Let it take your breath away. And it could be that time. Grisila booth.
The sea is blue. The sky is blue. Mr. Paul is all the time is blue. All is missing is you. And where are you?
So?
I would like to tell you. So, get yourself on the big bird eventually. Or find the canoe at least. And start paddling like crazy because we're waiting for you. And the island of love is greeting you with many kisses from the bottom of our two hearts. We would like to tell you many thanks, and please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Sorry for my Chinese.
Do you speak Chinese?
Yes,
what does that mean?
Do you like me?
Yes, very much indeed. Thanks for watching. Like we see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Well, it's beautiful out there today. Have a look at that. Thanks for watching. I don't think that it gets much better than that. And there's the super jumbo glass bottom boat going out on its voyage. Great boat trip. And of course there is watching Grisila booth. Thanks for watching.